Affresh washing machine cleaner and machine cleaning wipes are designed to clean the inside and outside of all washing machines. To use the cleaner, make sure all clothing and items have been removed from the washing machine first. Then, place one tablet directly into the washer. Next, select a normal or heavy cycle with the hot water setting. If your washer has a clean cycle, then select Clean. For machines with a noticeable odor, run 3 consecutive cycles, using 1 tablet for each cycle. And be sure to use once a month to keep your washing machine looking like new. Cleaning the outside of your washing machine is easy too. Simply remove a wipe from the pouch, making sure to reseal it. Then, wipe the machine using both sides as you clean. When you're finished, dispose of the wipe in the trash. Never flush it. Use weekly to help keep your machine looking like new. And when used together with the cleaner, you can complete your clean.